We are in Newport, New York, and the Yale lock was first made by Linus Yale in a shop on this site in 1847. And if you look, we're on the main road, so if you look down the hill, try this again, if you look down the hill, you can see the remnants of that shop. First Yale lock was made here, Newport, New York. And his house was just up the road here. Dr. Rugenstein here, and I am in Newport, New York. And this is Linus Yale, inventor of the Yale lock, octagonal house built about 1850 by him. And so you can see it right there. Newcomb is a very small little town. And this is sort of the main highway that comes through. And that's looking down towards more of the center of town. So there we go. Have a good day. Please subscribe.